Mom! Mom! Are you even cooking? I can't find anything. I'm ready. And you shut up. Ah.
Imagine a world where dating doesn't have to be a stressful chore, but a wonderful experience. That is what Nourish is.
The problem we are solving is a universal one. The struggle to plan meals, shop for ingredients, and cook a delicious dinner after a long day. With Nourish, we are simplifying this process for our customers. Our carefully curated meal kits contain fresh, high-quality ingredients and chef-designed recipes, making it easy for anyone to whip out a gourmet meal in their own kitchen in under 30 minutes. Not only are we addressing a common pain point, but also we have generated a scalable business model that will generate revenue through subscription fees and partnership with local vendors.
In a crowded market of meal kit services, what makes us different is our focus on sustainability and the community. We source our ingredients locally if possible to reduce our carbon footprint and also support our small businesses.
Our customer testimonials speak for themselves. They love the convenience, variety, and quality of our meal kits. We are confident that once they try Nourish, they won't look back.
As for a group, we're a team of culinary experts, tech-savvy marketers, and logistics experts who are dedicated in making Nourish a household name in the meal kit industry. Our passion and dedication is what sets us apart.
Score big with Nourish, the meal kit subscription service that simplifies dinner, supports local communities, and delights taste well. Choose us for culinary experience at no other.